discuss say if we audit ni na no niema ehu ye ni nti e pese uhwemu ansana yakọ finalize actual report in the whole eye akwanya dia akamu anade nti ase anya adwuma bi kra na calculations enye correct bia no akọ ne yembe correct ni nyina on wia ansana auditor no akọtwere ne final report a obema management 30 days also to respond.
Okay.
After the 30 days no there akamu bia no response no ama and answer response no enye accurate but me satisfy the infraction no I don't know Auditor General about picking mark no aka bom e dia your report. Enti there's no occasion because we dey yarn discuss.
Okay.
Enti say ba say bibi and ye man respond e dia ye won na ye na mu nye Auditor General because Auditor General ama akwanya bebre yanke betimi e dey respond. Enti Auditor General report no before say be ba out no now the management are discussing fully.
So let's pick this thing. Who the Ministry of Finance? I bet to just 3 people are any over 1 million Ghana cedis. Then the minister about the kind I just candidate that now Auditor General report no man and take care of it. I don't know. Could that happen?
Me person best single Ministry of Finance because on answer no body
several
across.
Yeah, but these were specific.
But, yes, but my man and can be a minimum, but we share the introductory part of the Auditor General's report now. Or said the irregularities represent either losses that had been incurred by the state through the impropriety or the probity in the actions and decisions of public officers, or on the other hand, the savings that could have been made if public officials and institutions had duly observed the public financial management.
Wow.
No person was saying, "Emrada ho." Senka empenifo ahwe adwuma no so EDF sa emra we so.
Yeah, adwuma. Kasa aka ni nyina ye mo.
Nyamdi kai e kai no. Obi enu aye adwuma after some period ebi anu wawu. Wagya adwuma ebia wa resign niema bibiri sa emra no kire se eba sasi apa de di kan no kire kwama ne bank kire kwama ne bank se nipa smasi se oni enya adwuma bio it is ka bia be ba no bia no fa court suspense account.
Okay.
It what is information we call now this information krona bi so Akoma control and accountant general se be ya ni din be dey e be free payrolls.
Okay.
Na ebi wo ho no ma it take some time and san e din na free payroll so by now so attrade to the bank ntino no enye se bank na dey etua e de ma no ebi wo nso a la senior audit eko ye kono emre it by the time we be audit call no na take some time on the part of management and san e din na free so
okay. Okay.
Na we mu Ghana for sika de anya betoboto mu a na adwene so e do so nti obi ho no a ekoto mu a no adai no akwakoyi na che bank no so anye dai a hwe letter no institution de brain say ma wontua ma no wan fa anye dai anye adwuma ebinti na e ma no basa ebinti say ye discuss mu obi anase twesika am obi wrongla ye management responsibility say be say immediately na scan be dai on be refund.
Okay.
Say where who kra na auditors no ba nyamba ka e ho asem kire ba e say o take action na dey we dey recover that money na recovery rate no and as action by management no and it go delay na dey say however.
Okay.
Sa Auditor General report e be koso afibia be nya because we share the mandate na is to only report on irregularities. Ebinti nia ese hia ese ye ne say emra eboye nsika ho ban no empanifo de be adwuma.
Okay.
Say this one sa infractions we bebre be ko form.
So me we share unmerited some of these skay running through almost every region and every department. And on there you be current ghost names nana.
There be you can't ghost names are different from Sawe. Ghost there tell say obi away there. Samai.
Okay.
Obi awon ti ase.
Okay.
One ti ase there dey tua neka. Nipa kro no eti ase. No ho no ti ase. Na emum wagya adwuma.
Okay.
Ye yinadi ana bi atisa. Na enam say ye yinadi ntino no. Ena enye say tueska no ede ma no. Ba me de kamenti say go so say nipa no onye adwuma wo hoda.
Okay.
Dina be shema ede ye tua ne ka. Obi anim no.
Okay.
Any with my friend ghost names.
Okay. So in all this about 17 billion
Yes.
wasted. And I say ska ye be kan say enka ye betimi abobra every year. And then amuntimi ngije say ska ni nyina. You are only reporting
17 billion now what can the total infractions or irregularities.
Yes.
Na enye ni nyina na esika akọ waste.
Okay.
Ebi ohon na the documents were not complete.
Ba na nkyere say scan ya amfa anya adwuma.
Exactly. And ebi ohon so a ebi efa koto A but amfa nto A or koto B.
Okay.
Enti ni nyina ka bom na ekodu sa amount no. Na Auditor General ewo mandate ene kwan ofa so eye na adwuma na order report. O se afe no so a abosom nsia a eto afe no so no e so Auditor General den report ekoma parliament.
Okay.
Parliament saka obema Public Accounts Committee enso ensaka. Now Public Accounts Committee atranse. Ni am invite obi a yabo ni din e wo report mu no. No oba abeyi na no. Omu wi a Public Accounts Committee is be twere one report. E de ama parliament. Na parliament a kyerɛ nia esese mo ede. Ye. Na ebire bia no ye kan ya na de ba ko a ye yire fie. Auditor General edni mandate na odi prosecute. Edu ti say me change a constitution niama Auditor General that powers ya.
Kabeboa. Ba mete na ye say the defense okay we mama.
Na ye kan ni say na ye yire fie part 2 of baby Auditor General e ye na adwuma no e che say. Ese say Attorney General enso hwe Auditor General report no. Na or take action on it.
Okay.
Now, Afibia no or the report, Akoma, Auditor General, Parliament, Minister of Finance, on a Juma and action what taken on Auditor General's report on.
Okay.
Etika, sa prescription duties no. Attorney General and bed.
Okay.
But your busa that said that Bena Attorney General, yes, judgment be.
Okay.
And I said the last time I ordered report come Auditor General and Minister of Finance. Say on your report of social and so the my young adjuma akudwin.
Okay.
The brave ni hu bi. Nti eye collective duty of the institutions no. Say same united we kabum ehwe say sa infractions wetimi akofo. Because obi diska na what ya che no na bia na court na court jail no and na court take action bia against the pakro no. O chan do think che say eh we this can dey here ni.
Nti me nso misru. Nti me nkonko ye.
Ekokoye only naming and shaming public PS fonku dia. Bedu bia manfo nsuro bi because after all they can say okwa e do atema etu atwa.
Yeah.
But na etu ntwa. E say it take action. We're
discussing the Auditor General report and details. Now, Ministry of Defense on competitive procurement. Section 22 of Public Procurement Act at 2016 at 914 require procurement to request quotations from many suppliers, contractors. Contrary to the above, our examination of the financial records of the Ghana Armed Forces revealed that item total 170,815.73 were procured for various activities without alternative quotations. Just say breakdown at the ABBA Military Academic Training School, Ghana Air Force Headquarters, 49 Engineer Regiment, Nina Kabumwa. I just say millions of cities. So Saska we no. What are they supposed to do? My report to say what next? Action be next and kamuteki.
Okay. Mame enka eho kakra. So ya o say yemu eye without competitive bid.
Yes, competitive bid.
Meaning say ya mfre ABC nipa be miensa 99
and more or less like a sole source and maybe no more.
That's right. Eti indirectly na adwuma de yaye.
Yes.
They were quite fast on
yeah no na anya ni.
Scanner yira na.
Enyirai. But on my
so and I say adwuma de yaye ntin. Na ntimi hu say boy I am edi tua saa de no ekosoro dro and as a conform. That is where the problem is.
Okay.
Now Auditor General I just had the way it's against the procurement act. And once you commit the procurement act, you should be taken to court. Now Auditor General need that power.
And in this sense, we can nipa omit with the court.
Yes. Because
so apokra de no. Okoye wa kire ma de no.
Procedure ben of us
use microphone. Yeah, but
a dear Jesus senka or consult other
ke bi kura price ne beba form.
Mo. Enunti emrado de ese yadwuma. Now the procurement act no say who committee any of them you go to court.
Wow.
Yes. So who will take the person to court?
Now, Council of State completed office building not in use 4,599,772.00. Section 52 of the Public Finance Management Act, blah blah, quoting giving or say things that a principal spending officer of a covered entity shall be responsible for the asset of the institution under the care of the principal spending officer and shall ensure that proper control system exists for the custody and management of the asset. We noted that controls over management and utilization of the office building at the Council of State were not satisfactory. We observed that the Council of State constructed an office building near Parliament House, Accra, at a cost of 4,599,772. The office building, which was completed in 2016, remained unoccupied. We recommended that the Secretary to the Council should ensure immediate occupancy of the building to avoid deterioration.
Okay. That's it.
We so you bet me one court.
Me lawyer. Name say what constitution man. Maybe obey su sha.
Mandatory. Must. Yes.
That's right. It was say so ready we use that word sha no ho.
Aye.
Dedi ka no sit down here.
Yes, here the Council of State.
4 years after completion, no. Government funds is wasted. So we sit down crazy ho. Na afeba akon obi ankomu a.
Essay?
Mo. Eti anhwe ya 4 years ayeka ho asem no.
2016 no we are in 2020.
Ebedi say omu ekomu no.
This is sanko say another sika ekoye renovation.
So that is the concern of the Auditor General.
Wow.
Oh. Enunti say ye will be eye de a ye me aninkum ho ye wi a ye nye dey ye mfa nya djuma
4 million we are talking about over 40 billion OCD.
Yeah, ebetma ye bibi foforo.
Ebetma ye bibi foforo.
Oh, na me concern enye that 4 million no. E dan de asi. But before they come into occupy no e car won be bo na kire ansa na yakomu no enu ni the waste. But just what I say 4 million de asi e dan no because that was the estimate. And I said the cost of it, they see how they knew.
Okay.
But what that one they 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, and some what they are tremor. At the time now back to them, maybe I say there be some defense. It is sad near my best say no. I saw this guy day. It's a cow, you be an aqua tremor, and this extra cost in Kabi and Kenya day. And the Yamana at that one, my do no. A come from a home. A cost to the state. It is a one per day than I see.
Wow.
So that is the situation.
Wow. So in view of all this, the Attorney General Department has said here, we are most Sunday report no come out.
If you audit reports now, apart from COPEA, a core parliament, they distribute to all bodies concerned. It even public libraries may be work. There will be heavy. Now, Section 85 of the Public Financial Management Act 2016. Specifically states Attorney General should work on the Auditor General's report.
Over the years, the
last time I said Attorney General, I was working on it. Everybody may come talk on this, and I was saying, why can't we get the two bodies together? Now you won't take action immediately. Because a year, this is the 2021 PSC in Yantanasi. 2021 report, Public Accounts Committee in Yansete on it. But the previous report is at 2020. Yeah, Parliament, Public Accounts Committee, I come out with recommendations. Attorney General.
87.9 Kumasi.
Asquat Magistrate Court. Unpresented value books. Value books here they are there.
You can't value book document bia betimi ejina so e de agisika ama oman no and instruction. It am say receipt book.
Okay.
Receipt book. Property rate for your book me ba na.
Aye.
Yama gigi togo edwam any ade ta tickets ticketing no. Ni nyina kan we
Hey, value book. Now what is up?
Value book ba ko yira.
Okay.
The possibility say obi
This can be no there. Unpresented value books.
Say ebra auditors no call CM ko ye adwuma no. Sa value books we no individuals are ye de ma won CM fa nya adwuma no won wantimi amfa ama auditors na rehwem nti eda so won ho.
Now this is it. We quote to the law and what is telling the PFMAR Public Financial Management Regulations. Okay. 2019 LI 2378 state that principal centers are responsible for the efficient control of stocks of value books of the covered entity. We noted that cashier of Asquat Magistrate Court, Mr. Ngban Nyamp John Jagri, could not produce two value books within serial number 04191001 up to a year 04193000 for the audit. We recommend that the registrar of the court should ensure that the GCRs are presented for audit, failing which the matter should be reported to the police.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes. The sense valuable no and I'm saying the GCs can yeah adia esombo pay na any face value bia wait me the one receipt age 2000 if you nipa ba ko and I bet me the one receipt age 1 cedi every nipa ba ko it depending on what you want to use the receipt for no the be am ska bet me nya free mu no eso na control wo ho ne say control and apprentice available no wo free controller see a pay na the bar. The first thing is record them in a book be a friend stock register, a control book. It will boost you na the record. Then you have distribution register. Yeah, revenue collectors are a GG scan on. On be barber sign a distribution register and say, oh, my book way. Okay. Juma. It's a musa no sign what they are back. Now who's scanning now birthday or back counter for. It's a book we be a loss to the state.
Wow.
And one thing I'm recommending say the register no should make sure say Sebus no
one who on
court. Now the court they did kind no. If you lose one value book, a complete book, the law says the highest amount of revenue you can collect within the entity.
Okay.
The difference is Asquat metro. And yeah, Sebus ni jira. Yamu basic rate, property rate. All the rates.
Yeah.
And
this is Asquat Magistrate Court.
Okay.
Yeah.
So court there, even deposits in our
yes.
The highest amount. Yeah, court no bet me a receipt back could be no.
Okay.
Times the number of receipts.
Hey.
Yes. Times the number of booklets. And then they charge the paper.
And the parent that's what ho.
Oh, hey. I didn't think that it's a book because the point is, if you read the law now, the book back on depending on the location of the person or this canon. Okay, one at a time. But no one be a two. Until set or the first one at the man no back count for say BGG 200 with the book is who's can you the more some month for front. You don't give additional one. Until then now on for first one on my near side.
No sign one, another one.
And nothing Auditor General can say these are the results of support supervision by management because you get dim running in as well. Will be better.
How much do we spend report for a year? Average, I mean, so you won't compile it in
millions or in thousands. I don't know. Because what the media and say, Sabre no na mo ho. Media and say, we could ready. Now compare report to we are.
Okay.
Near the Auditor General because it's Auditor General alone who has that right to print the report.
Okay.
Into the command now on so far procurement processes.
Now I'm looking at the cost of team members are more field. Yeah. So buying na farm honka.
And when I'm can say, yeah, team can because one, what can't the cost the parkour no yeah, Jumbo Tranica.
Okay.
Part of it.
Okay.
Baby acquiring TNT a part of it. A be a cockroach die with the band now to crans.
Somebody per them near allowance.
Why you and crown report on the printing press?
Yeah.
Almost by charge. In fact, just a ticket and different word.
And that is interesting. The observer se be a fan who join here near higher Akoma 87 Pana FM. Over the years, you discussion about Auditor General reports. And the nanopay didn't come extensively on it. Mebacho Dr. Mensah Herbal Clinic was breaking news at the Maya. Mesramwa the kaji number we see Dr. Mensah Herbal Clinic, a very big breaking news. 027 1173 551 027 1173 551. Dr. Mensah Herbal Clinic says, "See, I am an old Casey, Muamoba Kochi, Muntumri Camera, say your stroke, hypertension, hepatitis B, a woman a ding. Dr. Mensah, your body dear, na fair near church remu, say, see, dear kidney, we see ya, prostate, bema, diabetes. Oh, was a brassesia na Namia Domoa. Efri na kwa kokodina watumi enu edi enim so no wo abeba ntem de oba so Kofi Asante se me ba menye me ayi token no na enimanimu ya doctor sese de wo si edi nogu ho nan wo de niam afofra ba na doctor sa ba na so ye ya wo bedu wo bia na wo hwemanfo Opsid Guinness wo mu depo ho enti Kumasi Kochi Opsid Guinness depo enkan ye wo ho Medina Zongo Junction Omana FM dani mu a kaswa ye ne eye nsanie SHS Kofodua O Slaughterhouse wo ja Agenans House wo Takrade ene secondary college ne di hwani mu Sunyane Presby Junction Old eye municipal hospital no takwa Opsi Dr. Forsen near Central Church of Christ and agoso main lorry station du kwa no fen ye ne post office no na doctor says see wo de afre na ka che ne se Kofi Asante se si ade no tudo no bia ba yaresa no chese manfo a eko yi samek retmem herbal powder no said ye boost immune system na retentive memory me nipa nkwalai ya trust exam si what book no na ne refi de wosia doctor say beji bi se sia na wetimi anom na boa bie na adwemu eni ade no 30 years kwa no sua ya wo bekai na wetimi nso wura shop bie mu a patro number ni bie je foforo je MMTN we 024 59 58 768 024 59 58 768. Dr. Mensah Herbal Clinic say wo de wo ya de no fabra wo de ba betra nanimu a de aka dijai ma wo ne nyame na wono a behu ba bi odo befa number ni biem 025 0245 958 768 0245 958 768. Dr. Mensah Herbal Clinic anope bomodia na ayaresa me patcho watete Herbal Clinic men komo bi emfa so kwan koda wa chenchena ko na onsa yade na doctor me ba na ma ba be we cash receipt not deposited yakwa akwaje ska no yankwa anko deposit and several of this me ba na bisa say beyond the only you say Attorney General Department be collaborating no. Is there no any other way I bit my Jesus ka we nyina because for years we started here juma we ya market can say ska we nyina ye ba na abebo because 2020 na about 11 billion and then 2017 17 billion we ba bo na kese afi bia e kosoro. Okay. What is the solution? As somebody who have retired for more than 40 years, right? At the service.
Yes.
Almost 40 years.
32 years.
32 years. What is your recommendation? Just the next 1 minute.
Sama mi fiti asias wo ye fruit salad. Na nijia befi. Fruit salad wo the fruit te sanka, bofre, mango ni guava aye no. Eyo de nko a.
So person obeye ensentrenua enye school bi akeke ene wo se woko ene school amekan for diama wa eye Oxford Institute of Business and Journalism admission ashase 2021-2022 academic year over 2-year NAPTES diploma programs BTC journalism and media studies business administration and hospitality management short courses between 6 months cosmetology and makeup digital and social media marketing radio broadcasting and a video and photography. Our facilities are wodwa ebe bo wadishia. Your hostel facilities are obenya baby ada TV any radio studio what be your practicals obetro computer environment nanka sansono ehwo ye kama akyerɛkyerɛfoɔ no nso wo mabin na se wo wie wadishia attachment any adwuma samde woni how kra enti kan wen kope admission forms ne bi to sisia eye 60 Ghana cedis ewo ye 2 campuses ni nyina Kumasi kwada so Oshimasi Rollers ana Santasi Star Junction ana Frey 0504-234005 ana 0244-724087
discussions in on air and behind the scenes. Mr. Jekum, Odamia Jekum, a retired Assistant Auditor General. That is Assistant Auditor General. No, who could do here? Nanka Obabe Auditor General. Nanka Sam.
If you are now called Deputy, no, do Auditor General.
Wow. So you were just about to the top.
Yes.
And Timobefi, are we tapping that a rich experience from the government and the sector in terms of consultancy?
And if I will be a can I do way everyone say as I said me who I do na if me so me
the work as our consultancy firm for audit service
minya
MPT
okay process so na we mu a maybe like tell me aframe na obi so aframe oh be my workshop be my be my some education on some topics now makwa ni ade but ni nyina gina ma say can there e be can it is say ayemra parliament yemra no is left with another body to ensure say obi edi mra no so na say wo shemra na obi eni so a na mfa so be na dey so and that is the problem with the country now. If you can control how the law is working and I say you can control how the law should work, can you maybe
with him ionic aspect Commission on Human Rights and Administrative Justice missing official vehicle or code to the law stating what should be responsible. Our inspection of asset and subsequent interview with the regional director of the commission indicated that an official vehicle with registration number GC 792312, which was parked at the regional director's residency, Snett Flat Estate, was stolen in March 2019 when he had traveled out of the country. The matter has since been reported to the police. We recommend that the regional commissioner of Shraj should ensure that the regional director, the commissioner general, Mr. Stephen Opoti Mensah, pay for the cost of the vehicle. Is that the case?
Yes. Emra ewo abanka iyusu hu. Abanka bia e de ma wa ma driver.
Okay.
Na wo ye head no a de car na ma wo no. Gise ultimi enyina so pa e chese so okaka no.
Okay.
Anya sa da bia o driver na so dey. Oka. Na de to so mienu eni se say wunya baby ye park car no always.
Okay.
So most often no you parking our office because there are security men at the office 24 hours.
And our officer driver no crown will be see fear or the call office.
Yes.
Oba officer and the official vehicle.
And you go park a car no baby and can you say park no. No be behavior negligence of duty. And that's why the auditors made that recommendation, said the man should pay for it. See who can. Oh now see what can say no. Who is to enforce it? There be a Becca, the police will call, oh, you good investigation. So the police can only investigate. Say but in your what happens? So the final recommendation the auditors have made is see dia any the no use car no on your day.
When me worry, I say Ghana ya womra wa ha but emra no yentimi mfa nya adwuma.
And that is why the Auditor General stated in the introductory part no. Says di emra no eso. And yeah, ensure that supervision is great here. Enka enima will be breed you be avoid. Last year, I'm saying last 2 years, Auditor General made a recommendation. Now, recommendation apart from this supervision, or say weak internal controls. You be any good name so. I do my saying microphobia. Say ya never to 2 years no. They don't do it, and nobody's punishing anybody for anything. Because a year will be a year the end to say sky will be a one could tear to bank at the end of the month. No, oh yeah, reconciliation. Who says he can be akem? What action did you take? So in your records is showing say the certain money is still outstanding.
Manson Quanta.
The law is I take action against the person on 8 or 7 different ways.
I say.
But me am verbal warning.
Okay.
Obetimi am written warning. Obetimi adimotu no. Obetimi I withhold ni promotion. Yire pass okra no obetimi dismiss no. We me bia no nkire se sika no so yemfa. We bia na no am.
Manson Quanta District Court. Contrary to the above, that is Omakutu the special section Nemra na wo hom. Disclosed that the court received deposit and revenue totaling 8,894.50 between May 2021 and June 2021. June. I said just within 1 month to pay scabe. But cashier did not deposit the amount into the bank account. We recommend that the court registrar should ensure that the cashier deposit the outstanding amount, failing which the registrar should refund the amount.
Will be the see register and say or refund the amount no. What they any duty?
Okay.
So we say cashier no. Edis kana koto bank. Or farm real anko bank. Na what to go share. Let's say what boaboni. Is the enya dia ni ona betua.
Ami se bi kura be kura na wonim hu bi.
Pastor so o re mi say.
Yeah.
Enu nti se ko bi e pray ni grow ya. Kadima we be brave be conform. It is why the trend na inflation so kwa na e.
Kwa na e kosoro.
It said the chosem kai. O se emre bi be so a emre a emu ya din
ebeba.
Enu chese nkwara eno o se nkwara so ba ya
asoden for.
Nti asoden for e do so. Ba wo be ma wo ba ya asoden.
Dabi.
Enu nti sadia memra nya dey. Enya djuma. Ese memra na enya djuma dia. Akwara aba na o ya asoden no. Wantimi an discipline na e dey no besie. Bedu point bi no obetwe sika aba wa wo so. Aba wa so. Enu ti si afa memra na enya djuma. Si seska e be koso sa because no action is being taken. The best is said me and make some amendments in the constitution. Near empower Auditor General said now
you can do your own prosecution.
And you may be bigger because the way you pick a so
one child Attorney General, no more the court. Observe Kessie or Oxford Institute, or see you are enjoying the campus. Everything is wonderful, especially teachers. Because who was Oxford Institute of Business and Journalism courses guswa course classes guswa admission guswa course fantastic Star Junction near Testy Queen forms near 100 Ghana cedis body na opesoye journalist and I said we need digital and social media marketing, radio and TV broadcasting, video and photography body na furniture number near 0504 234005 0504 234005 and 0244 72 40 87 0244 72 40 87 offer Oxford and penny 4 and Obekasa na yabwa opening ya sorry ako What is the best way beyond, say, Attorney General and prosecute? In the meantime, we need 2 minutes to prosecute. Over the years, our year, Juma, the better than the TMS in the year.
And so easy, sir.
Okay.
Because of the structure of
the structure.
Our, yes.
Our system.
It's the system that made them influence the structure of us. Because you be responsibility say or she say be out to 2 years, and that's why the person is being paid. It is no supervision and so great here. What do you think will happen? Everything will break down. And the moment you have breakdown of controls, will be at me pay. And nunti Auditor General or ye juma be brave Auditor General juma but or ye be brave. And some way I can't want to be brave in the report na dey no. Auditor General antinayo.
Okay.
Or sa pursue for recovery.
I see.
It by the end of even the year no.
No ajije kakra.
No ajije bebre. Baby wo hon ma ehia se court ke bam.
Ebem.
Na ka be boa.
Okay.
Auditor General.
Opani. Onyame hwe yeso na de aduro ne de. Ghana, we are all our problems. Ora Odamye Jikum, a retired assistant auditor general. Is your tifia ojena ho na home. Ghana, baby ababedru. We have all these rich resources, ideas. We leaving them rotten. Abra intimin tapo. And you are still fit even after retirement. I'm more than grateful, son of pay and Sakani Edinkomo. This is just the beginning because we're Edinkomo. Tony best, Eddie Akomambre, Ebremo.